Welcome back to my channels. My name is Sam. Today I am going to configure point-to-site VPN using radius authentication. This is the great way to ensure secure and authentication across the remote users. Let's get started. I have already deployed VPN gateway to save the time. To use point-to-site, to configure point-to-site using radius configuration, also we have to configure radius server. Let's go and configure radius server. For the computer management, users, give the name, give the passwords. Once you create the users, we need to configure group, add users one. Once we create group and users, we need to go install Radius server. To install Radius server, go to the manage, add role and features, go next, select network policy, access server install. I already installed, so I'm not going to install second time. To configure network policy, go to the tools, go to the network policy server, go to the network policy, configure network policy, give the network policy any name, type of server, choose remote access server VPN, go next, give the condition, choose user group, okay, then next, here access granted, from here choose authentication method, I'm just going to choose Microsoft encrypted authentication version 2, next, here choose any setting, choose Microsoft, here the review the configurations, then finish, from Redis clients, here give the any friendly name, give the IP address of gateway subnet, Redis server, when configure Redis server, gateway is like the proxy. Any configuration coming, any request coming from the users, it will going to forward to the Redis server. So we have to give the IP address from the gateway subnets. So any IP is coming, all the IP is coming from the gateway subnet. Give the user secret passwords. So we need their password to configure our point-to-site VPN. Go advanced, choose radio server, click OK. Once we configure radio server, we need to configure point-to-site VPN and gateway subnets. To configure gateway subnets, Here choose point to site configurations. From point to site configuration give the address pool which is not part of your any VNet or on-prem server. Tunnel type you can choose any tunnel type. Just open VPN SSTP IKV2. We can use IKV2 and SSTP. Authentications for our we are choosing Redis authentications. Primary server give the Redis server IP address. My Redis server IP address 10.1.0.5 and secrets give the secret which we configure here. Give the if you have a secondary Redis server give secondary service server IP address and secret also. You have more than one server, it will do the load balancer between two server. Once everything is configured, then save. Once your I have already configured, so I'm not going to save second time. Then download the VPN clients configurations. Once it download, so we need to extract. I already extracted. Go. I have 4 files. Go to the Windows AMD 64 and install this one. Once we install the client configurations, go to the VPN setting. Then connect. I have connected user 1 with the passwords. It looked at some kind of bug. Go to the network policy. I have the test on. I have to move all the way to the up. Move up. Move up. It's not a bug. Just my test. My policy is all the way down, so that's why it's blocked. So I'm going to uncheck. Let me try again. Client conditions. Let me try again. Now it's connected. Go to the to check did you go to the command line. Here I can see this VM is getting IP from the address pool 192.168.0.130. Also, you can see PPP adapter, BMBNH. Also, point to site connection. How you can check how many my users are connected using point to site sessions. I just connected, so that's why I don't have any result. There is no change in maximum SSTP connection. Also, we have some known issue, which is in Azure VPN frequently asked questions. What happened when I configure both SSTP and IKE for PTS VPN connection? When you configure SSTP and IKB in mixed environments, Windows VPN will always try IKB turned first, then will fail back to SSTP. If IKB connection is not successful, macOS will also only connect IKB video because macOS does not support SSTP. Is Radius authentication supported all VPN gateway? Radius support authentication support all SKU except basic SKU. Can I traffic to on-premise Radius server be routed over the XP connection? No, it can only route from the site-to-site connections. Does Radius support authentication support for Open VPN protocol? Radius support authentication support for Open VPN protocol. Let's go to the let's again refresh. Now we can see this user one is connected. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.